This time, let's verify a given identity graphically. To do this, we will graph the left side of the equation as y1 and the right side as y2. There are two possible ways of entering cotangent into our calculator. One is as 1 over tan theta, and the other is as cos over sine. Here, because we have cotan squared, we've put cosine squared over sine squared. You'll notice with the graphing calculator, it's not possible to put the squared symbol after the word cos or sine and before the symbol for x. So we put it after a closed bracketed x. To put it inside the bracket would square the angle, which is somewhat nonsensical within the context of this course. That will never happen for us. For the window settings, I used negative pi to 2 pi. This allowed me to see more than a full period of the graph. For the min and max for y, I again, as in the previous example, used negative 3 to 3. Given that sine and cosine have max and min values of negative 1 and 1, most of our graphs will reveal themselves within negative 3 and 3. You could put from negative 10 to 10, which is the default, but you wouldn't see anything extra that would be more helpful. The graphs appearing identical is enough to have verified it graphically. Unlike the last problem, where we started with the non-original Pythagorean identity and divided to get back to it, here we're going to start with cos squared plus sine squared equals 1 and divide through by sine squared to arrive at this new version. Here we see that sine squared plus sine squared simplifies to 1, and we'll now use our identity sheet to simplify cos squared over sine squared and 1 over sine squared. Because cos over sine is cotangent, cos squared over sine squared will be cotangent squared. Because 1 over sine is cosecant, 1 over sine squared will be cosecant squared.